Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Photos and signing into the Google account you want to use. Grant necessary permissions so the app can access and back up your images. Otherwise, upload won't work. Once done, tap Settings, go to Backup and Sync, and choose High Quality or Original depending on storage needs. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid mobile data charges. This gets your library connected and ready for the next steps. Now organize and improve your photos so you can find what matters fast. Create albums, add or remove images, and reorder them to reflect events. You can tap any image and use Edit to crop, rotate, adjust exposure, or apply filters. Auto often fixes common problems instantly. Use the search bar, type a name, location, or object to surface pictures quickly, and long press to select multiple files for sharing, moving to an album. To finish, pick photos or albums and use Share to create links, add to a shared album, or send directly to contacts or other apps. After confirming uploads are complete, choose Free Up Space to remove local copies and reclaim device storage. If something goes wrong, check that Backup and Sync is enabled, verify Wi-Fi or mobile data, and confirm you have Google storage available. If problems persist, sign out and back in or clear the app cache. That usually resolves stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.